Hello, good afternoon. My name is Luis Villaseñor Muñoz. I was a graduate student at Illinois Institute of Technology. I graduated last month. During the last 2 semesters there, I've been working in the project I'm showing you today. Since its beginning, the application development was supervised by Professor Carol Davis. She is over there. She is the director of the voice-over IP lab at the School of Applied Technology, and she's also the main person in the organization of the Real-Time Communications Conference and Expo held each year there, and in fact it has a WebRTC track, so maybe you're interested in it. You'll note that this demo is different to the rest in some aspect. I'm not representing a company, but a university, so it's a non-profit organization. And I'm not presenting a business product, but just an academic project. Babel, that's how we call the application, is a WebRTC application for video conferencing. It's built using the WebRTC Web API. So I didn't use any other SDK. The web server and the WebRTC signaling server is built using Node.js, and all the signaling is made through WebSocket. So everything is written in JavaScript. Babel also uses a turn server configured by other students, so we can solve the NAT traversal issues. And let's take a look at the application. When we start developing the application, the main goal was to develop a WebRTC application that is able to provide real-time closed captioning in order to help hearing impaired people. And we managed that using along with the WebRTC APIs, the Web Speech API included in Google Chrome, and the WebRTC data channel for sending the subtitles once the speech is converted into text. So I've set a meeting with a friend, so I hope he's waiting for me here, and I can show you the application. Hello, Javier, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh, you can listen to him, my fault. Say how again.
Hello.
Now it's working. Thank you for being there, Javier. So I'm going to demonstrate the subtitles. So here you can choose the language you speak. In our case, we speak English. It detects Spanish because my computer is set up in Spanish. But please, Javier, can you say something in English, for example?
Yeah, sure. Hello, this is a test. Can you see?
Oh, thank you. And so let me show you a picture where I explain how this works. Okay. So, oh, where is it? Now, we'll cover. So, user A, in this case me, sends a request for subtitles through the signaling path to user B. User B, the first time that enters the application, is requested for permission to access the microphone and the camera. And since we're using an HTTPS connection, we don't need to ask for permission again. So since that moment, the server is controlling the microphone of the other user, so we can just turn it on and off all the time we want. Once we turn the user B microphone on, we send the speech to the Google speech recognition engine, and that sends us back the transcribed text, and then we send it to the other peer using the WebRTC data channel. So now that we have the text, so, well, that not only works in English. So could you please, Javier, try another language?
Hola, probando. 1, 2, 3.
That's Spanish. Can you test another one?
Jesuits at Chicago.
Kind of. Your French is not so good as your Spanish.
I guess.
Okay, he's in Chicago. Okay, so what else can we do once we have the text? So we can try to develop more features, like, for example, storing that text. So we can store a conversation. So let's do a quick test in here. So please, Javier, can you tell me your phone number, for example?
Yeah, my phone number is 555-736-1359.
Okay, thank you very much. Right now, if we click in this link, we'll go to a local database that has been made using IndexesDB, another HTML5 API, and then we can recover Javier's phone number. In fact, we can recover the whole conversation maintained in the room. You see, we are in the room WebRTC. I'm Luis. I asked him I said exactly so. Please tell me your phone number. And that's his answer. And what else can we do? So we have the text. We can also try to translate it. So can you tell us something in Spanish, please, or whatever language?
Hola, me llamo Javier Conde y estoy en Chicago.
It didn't recognize the Chicago part, but the rest is okay. Thank you, Javier. So let me explain you how the translation works. It's a little bit different to the regular subtitles. So in this case, the request said follow the same path, but since we need to use a translation service, in this case we're using Microsoft Translator. Wait, some of you may know that Microsoft announced like 2 or 3 weeks ago that they are releasing what they call a Skype translator by the end of 2014. Microsoft Skype translator will do something similar to what Babel does, and in fact we are using the same translation service. So the request follow the signaling path, but this time the text is sent to the signaling server that is the one who sends the request for translation to Microsoft, get it back, and send it to the other user. So fast, and I'm not sure, well, the last step is once we have the text, is to read it aloud. So we can use the built-in speech synthesis API to read the translated text aloud. However, I've modified something in the code and it's not working properly, but I'm going to show you anyway. This was working properly yesterday, but You never touch the code before a conference. So please, Javier, can you say the same words or the same phrase again?
Hola, me llamo Javier y estoy en Chicago.
Hello. Hello, my name is Javi. Hello, me. Hello, my name is Javier. Hello, my name is Javier. Hello, my name is Javier and I am. Hello, my name is Javier. Hello, my name is Javier and I am.
This
Hello,
is
my
not
name
supposed to
Javier
happen.
and I'm a girl. Hello, my
This
name
is
Javier
supposed
and
to
I am
say
Javier.
just one time at the end of the sentence, and this was working perfectly yesterday. But I modify something in the code, and one variable that is the one who determines when the phrase is ended. Something is wrong with the variable. But that's it. Thank you very much. Say goodbye, Javier.
Bye.